go ahead and let's just put it in a cooler. Okay. And then we'll get bags of ice. No. The boat's all zipped up. I've already cranked all the things.
In the van?
Yeah.
In the cooler?
Yeah, she's got goals.
She's got goals.
Yeah, record everything so we can make a fucking cool video. I already started one.
So,
Roz, you want to get back in there?
This is all of our shit for a one-day trip.
What? You want to get back in there?
On our way. Captain Richard.
On our way. Sailing away.
She's like, I'm not getting out of this car.
No.
Not getting out. Hey! That's all I got.
Anybody else need anything to drink or anything like that? Did you get your coffee? Okay. All right, and then give me an ice water, and that'll do it.
So that's 6 sausage, egg, and cheese?
These are like 12 of them. They're going to give us.
You get all the sausage, egg, and cheese?
Yeah, should be 5.
I'll share mine.
Can I get 2 pumps with 3 pumps of latte and 6 sugars, but only 1?
Did they have?
Yeah, is it soy based? Because I need to have soy based.
No. Do they have a sausage, egg, and cheese?
Yes.
On a bruschetta biscuit.
With a cow's free range.
Is it WHO approved?
Look.
The girls couldn't take it. They're asleep. Getting through the storm front.
There's trouble.
She's hot.
Yeah.
What?
Now you're glad we got all this food in case we get stranded on Alligator Alley.
Is all the pressure out?
Feels like it. Yeah. Thank God.
Look, kids, City Hall. Where is it, Leslie? Oh, he's our little tugboat, showing us how to get out. People on our property. Let's get them.
We'll go to the next beach.
Right there, right in.
You like that one, man?
There's porta potties.
I don't want to see if there's porta potties.
I don't know about that.
No.
Yeah.
I think we're better off on that end.
On that end over there.
What's on the other side?
I claim this beach in the name of the castaways.
Look at Masha, she's like, I already got it. I got it. I'm here.
Oh, it smells like porta potty here.
Does it?
Yep.
Alright, let's get the fuck out of here.
In the middle of the night, and there's just water. We'll be under the water.
Oh, that's Katie! Oh, look at that one.
You need some sun protection.
Here's a hat. It's a mermaid.
It's a mermaid skeleton.
Baby
It's a baby
mermaid.
mermaid.
Is the water
Yeah.
going to come above this?
Richard said
We'll see in a couple hours.
It's a high five.
I'm going to go with it's a fish.
Yeah.
Don't think it's a dead
That's
mermaid.
exactly like the fish skeletons you see on cartoons when they eat the fish.
Yep.
What are you doing?
Just throwing out the
Stop trying to clean the
horseshoe
beach.
crabs. Oh, the horseshoe crabs are stinky.
So?
Well, Look, always a little guy.
What'd you find?
Oh my god,
A little guy. Look,
I do too. I like it.
look at the little guy.
Water?
Look what I found.
Why?
And then this one too. And there's no live animals in it.
We're gonna send somebody to go run through that giant bird. Did we find a spot?
Found a spot.
Richard, is this spot approved?
Spot's approved.
Getting ready to unload. But there's people. They've formed another colony here. We will invade and pillage. This village will not stand.
No, I think I got it all. I got it all.
It looks like it.
We're setting up camp. We're getting all of our stuff. We're unloading everything off the boat and bringing it over to this beautiful spot over here on the beach.
The table is middle camp.
Got you. Here we go. Oh no, something dropped. I hope you can hear me right now, but we are setting up our tents. We got some tents setting up over there. We got our tent setting up over here. We have another one setting up over there. And now we're officially on our deserted island. But there are some other people here, so we'll just, but they're not here physically. So I'm not really sure where they're at, but there are other tents at the moment.
You know what I think we should do? I think we should put ours like right here.
That way the fire will blow that way.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping.
Somebody.
Help her, Katie.
Come on, here, I'll give you a knee up. A leg up.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna try it without your drink?
Yeah. Here. Oh, that. There you go. Horse maneuver.
That was really amusing as the last one.
What happened to the top of it?
Turn into a yarmulke.
Is this?
It's two hats now.
What happened?
Where?
She turned Jewish.
I've never used it.
Oh, that's one of those couch things, right?
Yes, it might be defensive. I don't know how to do it.
Damn, any millennial knows how to do that.
I don't. Oh no.
Get back on there, Leslie.
It's pretty comfy. I mean, it's a little rocky. See if it floats. Oh,
See if it floats.
gosh, yeah. We getting up here? Rides are a little bit comfy. raccoons come attack us.
Yeah.
Oh, there's coons.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I don't want to have raccoons.
Coons are coming.
The coons are coming. They're smelling it. They're watching it.
Where are the raccoons?
Oh, that Richard.
Katie's letting them loose.
Hold it.
Eric, do you want to take pictures? Because nobody else wants to fucking take pictures.
I do.
We are not naked and we are not afraid.
We got 2 sticks.
She's grabbing the wood.
We got this.
It's almost nighttime.
I know, we gotta start the fire, so let's go.
Stop. We gotta start the fire.
Look, rise.
Right, you're the perpetrator.
It's tender.
Come here, show me the handprint.
It feels raw.
My mouth was like this.
Bacon cooking. Morning, guys.
Morning.
How'd everybody sleep?
Not too bad. It was weather was excellent. Perfect.
You guys, were you cold?
I was a little cold because I fell asleep on top of my sleeping bag, but I woke up, got in there, and boom, I was out.
Like a light.
Not very nice at all. They get sand spurs all over my feet because I'm walking away from you.
Where are you going?
I don't know. I'm gonna find somewhere else because you followed me.
I won't follow you. It's too hard to follow you. Are you better now? I didn't follow you.
By the way, I wouldn't need to bear in mind because my shit don't stink.
Low tide. What are you laughing about?
Well, we apparently aren't leaving anytime soon.
Why is that?
Apparently low tide came and we were here at high tide.
And it's extreme low tide.
Yeah.
Sure.
So, Mom, if you see this, Hannah, Dominic, you guys are doing the Oasis Chili night tonight.
There's the anchor that was supposed to keep the back of the boat out in the water. But it didn't.
Look, you can see even what's remaining in here is still trickling down toward the main body of water. So tide's still going out. When I was a kid in Panama, you could go to low tide and there'd be these giant conch shells, giant. And the local people would go, it was breakfast, they'd grab this thing and think of all the meat that's in one of those things. And they could just run back home and cook it and eat it.
Yeah.
Maybe grab a couple mangoes on the way home. Boys, just did a cool dude trip a week.
Is it gonna clamp down on me?
No, it's... See it? Is it a hermit crab? It's a little teeny hermit crab. I don't want to crush his shell, it's so delicate.
I'm like...
Look at him come out. Hermit crab battles. Look, he's coming back on.
Finish him!
Yeah.
My girl.
I think the little one is going, oh man, I could use that big shell. Let me get it. Let me get him out of there. See him in there?
Oh my.
This is a big home for him.
Ain't no bird poking him out of that thing.
All right, let's drop him in and see how long it takes him to get it. Start scurrying away.